Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of transferring Tesla ownership via the Tesla app. Tesla has made it easy to transfer car ownership digitally to enhance user convenience. The app-based transfer process now supports digital title options in over 15 US states and is potentially expanding globally. Say goodbye to physical paperwork. Before initiating a transfer, ensure both the seller and buyer have active Tesla accounts. The vehicle should ideally be fully paid off unless the lien holder approves the transfer. Also, confirm if your state supports digital title transfers, which streamlines the process considerably. In non-digital title states, additional steps might be needed. The seller begins by opening the Tesla app on their smartphone. Navigate to the Vehicle section in the app menu. From Vehicle, select Settings. Then, select Ownership Transfer to begin the process. In the Ownership Transfer section, enter the buyer's email address or phone number and the vehicle's VIN. Make sure to double-check all the sale details to ensure they're correct. Be prepared to pay a small transfer fee, typically between $50 and $100. Once the seller initiates the transfer, you'll receive an email or app notification with the transfer invitation. Accept the invitation through the app or email link and enter your personal details as prompted. For security, you'll need to verify your identity using two-factor authentication or biometric verification like Face ID. Tesla will validate the transfer details. This process usually takes only a few minutes, but in some cases, it can take a few hours. During this time, Tesla verifies the information and updates its back-end systems. If the vehicle has a lien, Tesla will ensure the lien holder's approval. Once Tesla confirms the transfer, both parties receive a confirmation notification. The seller loses access to the vehicle in the app, while the buyer gains full control, including remote features, software updates, and warranty access. The buyer needs to update insurance and registration through linked services. If you encounter issues with digital title validation or transfer errors, contact Tesla support immediately through the app or website. They can resolve back-end verification problems and ensure the transfer completes successfully. For vehicles with outstanding loans or liens, you must get approval from the lien holder before proceeding. Tesla requires this documentation to prevent unauthorized transfers and ensure legal compliance. In states that don't support digital titles, you'll need to download and print a temporary title from the Tesla app. Then, visit your local DMV to finalize the physical transfer paperwork. If verification steps like two-factor authentication or biometric confirmation fail, make sure both parties have verified Tesla accounts. Older vehicle models may require a visit to a Tesla service center for manual assistance. The ownership transfer process can change with Tesla software updates. Always keep your app updated and check Tesla's website for the most current transfer guidelines and requirements. Remember to verify your local laws and consult professionals for complex situations. Tesla support is available around the clock to help with any transfer issues. Tesla's digital ownership transfer is part of a larger trend towards digital ecosystems in the EV market. Expect increased automation, potential integration with technologies like NFTs for ownership proof, and further expansion to the used EV market. By 2030, digital transfers are projected to significantly increase, making ownership changes seamless. Thanks for watching.